Quantum discrepancies. Friends, you already know my point of view about quantum mechanics, which I understand is simply an abandonment of the difficulty of classical physics in making new discoveries on the ground, that is, in the daily practice of observation and obtaining new discoveries. Thus, the physicists decided to cut the way and not discover the mysteries of the cosmos that is very tedious, slow, and with many depressing failures. No, from now on, from approximately 1900, we will create and build our own imaginary cosmos, supported by some postulates which, even if they are wrong, allow us to apply successive mathematical operations which will create that imaginary world, but fast to produce and handle. Of course, discover the mysteries of the cosmos with the practical work of the observation is very slow and tedious, and that is why there were hardly physicists willing to do so. Thing that changed when with the QM you would only have to mount formula on formula, without the need to investigate anything in the practical. Of course, to give value to this, we will say that all human development is based on the study and development of our proposals. Such as that semiconductors, computers, appliances, telephony, etc., we owe it to the great ideas of the QM. Of course, all this is a lie, and if we review the postulates of the QM, we will find ourselves that they have only provided ideas such as the distribution of atomic orbitals, quantum computers, overlap ideas, particles with double situation, and the like. The problem is that analyzing all these proposals, we find that all these are incongruous and impossible ideas, nor they are explained with logic. But let's go to the theme of the drawing that I expose. It shows that the quantum world is not theorized logically, but that they give or launch that are not very congruent in science, and is the case of the overlap and wave collapse. It is understood in physics that if a collapse wave is because it adds to another equal, but with different phase and both are neutralized. If the amplitude of a wave ranges from -1 to 1, then added two waves of the opposite phase will give us a result of 0, that is, the wave is cancelled. If really an observation on an overlapping or collapsed quantum state, it achieves a real and visible wave, then, what we have done is to give value to a collapsed wave and transform it into a real wave and with real values, which could be from 0 to 1. And of course 0 and 1 are the real values of computing electronics. And we could explain it by saying that the observation wave has resonated with the collapsed wave and has given us a unique and real result. Although the process is not real, but imaginary. That is, quantum mechanics is pure mental imagination, with mathematical expressions also belonging to this imaginary world. But yes, we must admit that they keep millions of physicists mathematicians entertained by telling us about their new daily adventures, and of course, a little science fiction is also good for the mental development of humans. And that's it for now. Thank you very much, friends, for your consideration.